I watched reruns of the Jersey Shore. Snooki drank too much, now she's on the floor. It's a feeling that I've felt before, though it was not televised. Thank God. Right, Mom? You don't mind, you don't get upset, and you're watching me while I'm watching it. I'm just curious, I'm a scientist, but you think that I'm depressed. I watch reality TV, just look at what you've done to me. I can't believe that nothing means half of what it is. I don't mind, I don't get upset, but I haven't left my bedroom yet. And getting stressed with an accomplishment, so you win, you win, you win, you win. Don't tell me where you've been. Don't tell me what you did, when you were gone. I guess I'm still something of an amateur. You think that I would know by now? Season 8 and I ain't figured it out. So until I keep getting my feelings hurt, you're saying things you don't deserve, or imprinting on you like a werewolf in a club I did. You don't get my references. What if I had someone make this song sound better in your head? Twilight was so offensive, but it got me through November. Even though I will swear up and down that I wish that I knew better. I wish I didn't. Don't tell me where you've been. Don't tell me what you did. What you did when you were gone. Like someone on the real L Word, I'm moving to San Francisco or Hollywood. I will write you like you wish I would, but I'll miss you all the same. You won't mind, you won't get upset. Want to change all you want is the audience. They're all obviously all narcissists, and I just love turning off my brain. One thing, escape. Don't tell me at all. I don't want to know. I just watch it over and over on the show. Thank you so much. So this will be our last song. Thank you so much for coming. This is really super special. And I'll meet you at the merch table in 5 minutes after this song is over. I promise you, I'll never let you down. Betray a promise to you. My sister's over there right now. She can help you in the meantime. So, yeah, come on into it. Come on. You want me to face you mean? Okay, yeah.